Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse in your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, we are going to unbox an item that I bought from Japan from my previous visit there 2 months ago, and this came from Adidas. I went to their flagship store or their Adidas store in Senseibashi in Osaka, Japan, and this is what I got. This is the Samba OG in 9.5 size, and it says here it is the black with gum and the usual stripe, and this is an original from Adidas, and this is made in Vietnam. So we're going to open this box. This is my first time to buy a Samba, and this in the history of this shoes from Adidas, this is a very famous soccer shoes, and I got the black with the white strap. So we're going to remove this from the box. The price is $15,422, which is converted into 6,127 pesos. I have to pay some fees because I paid it through my debit card. This is the black version of the famous white Adidas Samba, and this is my first time to buy an Adidas Samba. The history of this soccer shoes. Initially this was a soccer shoes actually, and it had been in the market for the past, I think, 70 years. And in 2023, it became so popular that the sale of this particular Adidas model had so very big that it became so very famous. And I got the black one because I have already a lot of white sneakers. So this is made of leather. You have suede on the side and the top, and this is leather, and this is a gum shoe. It is a very nice sneaker to pair with my Selvedge Denim. So it is very distinct because of the white strap and the black one. I tend to be on the black denim already this time. So most of my denims are already in black denim. That's the reason why I bought this kind of sneakers. This is 9.5, and it looks good. Most of my sneakers, whether they are recreational sneakers or running sneakers, they are all size 9.5, and they are very comfortable on my feet. And what is good about this is It is very comfortable. It is made of leather, just like my boots. And you have a very nice suede. And there's not much problem in the maintenance because the sole is dark brown and entire the shoes is black. So there's no need for a lot of maintenance and a lot of care on this pair of sneakers. So I'll be using this on my black denim jeans as my sneakers for them, and I hope to use them for my walking and for my going on errands. And these are nice. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And I'll be showing you more unboxing of items that I bought so far during my shopping spree. And so far, this is one of the best buys that I got when I was in Japan. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.